What the trial judge did was, while imposing the bail conditions, he directed a cash deposit of 10 lakhs with a surety in the like amount. 7 months after bail was granted, the lawyer was before us saying, for 7 months my client is languishing in jail because I have just not been able to put up the kind of surety for the grant of bail. So we have now developed a system called FASTER in the Supreme Court. The system operates on the basis of blockchain technology. After an order granting bail is passed by the High Court or by the Supreme Court, the implementation of the order has to be ultimately done by the district judge and then ultimately the jail superintendent. Has the copy of the order been served on the jail superintendent? Has that order been made available to the district judge for implementation? And what action has been taken on the basis of that order? Has that order been implemented? Because it has not been implemented, it is not enough for us judges to say that, well, I've done my duty. Your duty does not end with laying down doctrine. Our duty extends to ensuring that these orders are actually implemented, and FASTER technology has given us that particular modality. We are experimenting with artificial intelligence in the Supreme Court. People ask me, are we using artificial intelligence to deliver judgments? As someone who has spent 24 years in the art or science of judging, I don't want a machine-operated robot to write my judgment for me. The machine-operated robot may give a more mathematically correct answer in a claim for motor accidents compensation. I may make a multiplication error, but the machine-operated robot cannot have the sense of empathy, compassion, which a judge has. It may not have some of our failings, but even AI has failings. It has biases, depending on who has designed AI. But we are using AI in a very different context. Cases are filed in our registries. Sometimes cases of a very high value are filed in our registries. The most resourced of citizens are able to ensure that their cases are fast-tracked, while the cases of the poorer citizens take a back seat.
Friends, don't forget to share your views in the comment box and subscribe to KanoonPlus channel.